Civic 8714, I think, and 8515. Yeah, it's snowing. Okay. I didn't expect to catch him. But I did. It's only 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go out. Me is prepared. Will you hold this? I need to zip up my jacket. Center beams, tankers. Not missing much. Okay. I didn't think I'd catch this one. But I did. Before the crossing, too.
They told you to tap it so you don't drop it on the concrete slowly.
I caught it. Just barely.
Oh my gosh, how is putting his coat on? I think you're gonna have a heart attack.
I caught it just barely. I was like 2 seconds away from not getting it.
What snow? Now it's here.
Oh, yep. Yep, now tail. What lovely conditions to be recording a train in, right? Am I right? FMC chemical.
Did you know that there are places in the world where they have hail this big?
Wait, show me
What
how
do you
big?
think would happen if a piece of ice, hail is ice, that size hit you in the head?
It could break your head. There's a world record for.
Largest ice ball.
Uh-huh.
You wanna know whose balls that are? Those are? Mine. Just kidding.
No,
I'm not gonna make any more inappropriate jokes throughout the rest of the recording here.
it was about this big.
Jesus.
That's the biggest ice ball that has fallen from the sky. It didn't hit anyone.
Will you go inside and see if the end's coming yet?
Why do I have to go inside?
Because I don't want you to go out in the hail. Okay. Okay, there's Harley.
I turned your Nintendo off. All you gotta do is hit the power button
Yeah, I
and turn
know.
it back on. If you change the game, though, you have to do what I did before to make it.
Is the end coming?
I didn't see it.
Dang. Western Pacific.
You know how to change it to source so you can go from TV to HDMI 2?
Mhm.
You know how to do that?
Are you done with your Xbox?
No, just leave it alone.
Push source like I was doing earlier,
You know what I'm
Alex.
talking about?
Yeah.
Switch over to TV only and leave the Xbox alone.
That's when you push source.
He has Xbox down there.
Wait. One thing. Dang it. Why do people never listen to me when I say, wait, one thing?
I'm gonna go check it.
Did you see any maroon?
Snow no end.
Dang. I'm really hoping to catch a heritage unit in this beautiful condition. Right? No, but seriously, wouldn't that be pretty cool?
Catch.
Wait. I don't know if I even had it on Zoom.
It looks like it's raining.
Yeah, it kind of does, but let me show you the ground. It's actually hail. Oh, hey, look, a white tanker.
Like, hang on.
I hear something. I think the end is here.
Yep.
What? What color?
I didn't see.
Sorry.
It might be cotton belt.
Really?
Yeah, it's like all black or something.
No. No, that's Canadian.
It looked black from a distance.
Yeah, probably because it's all charcoal.
Yeah.
It looks like an AC 4400 if I have seen one.
Looked like a cotton belt.
Yeah,
Because you could see, like,
the black on top.
You could see the black on top, and you could still
Oh my
see
gosh,
the
it
little,
is black. 9737. Yeah, yeah. Used to.
It's all black now.
So,
Yeah.
so it looked like it was all black,
My
and
God.
there was red.
Okay, inside, one house or the other. You don't need to be out in this any longer than you need to.
Come on.
Sorry, I was just recording. Oh gosh, it's hitting the tablet.